Hello, this is Nico at Charlie's Foreign Car, and today we have Baum Tool, part number T40048A, and it is a front crankshaft seal installer for Audi V8s. So here we are. We've got a bunch of different installers here, all kinds of stuff. So what do we have? We've got that. It comes with a sticker you could put in your tool bin. So all these installers and 2 bolts. These are some nice lightweight. They're not metal, they're not plastic, but they do kind of have a metallic ring to them. Maybe they're kind of ceramic or composite of some sort. Here is the brand new crankshaft seal from Audi. Let's install this front crankshaft seal on this 2005 Audi S4. So to install the crankshaft seal on this 2005 S4 engine, the instructions call to use the 40048-1, the -2, and also the -3. How we're going to install the seal onto the pusher is to take the 1 and 2 and put them together. And then we're going to push the seal right onto the pushing device. Okay, we're done there. That comes off. We're done with that. This diameter right here is 10/1000ths of an inch bigger than the crankshaft. Okay, so you can see it's about 10/1000ths of an inch bigger. So that way when you push this on, the seal edge falls down onto the crankshaft, just perfect. Let's make sure that that space is clean. Not a whole lot of room for that bolt to grab, but maybe it'll grab it. Now we're going to take our 3 and install the 3 with the pushing bolts. It says to turn this by hand, so I'm just going to take a 3/8 socket and see how far I can get this in just by hand only. We're not using any power tools or even any lever bars or not even a wrench. It's going in pretty nice. So we are going to go ahead and pull this down until it stops. Ooh, perfect. Okay. We are stopped. I'm not using anything more than just a 13 3/8 drive, not a ratchet on it or anything, just turning it by hand. That's all I did. Okay, so we got the tool to bottom out. That seal is installed perfectly. Thank you very much, Baum Tools. This Audi is going to go back out on the road.